Again, if we look at the thread of the bioeconomy, one of the important elements of that is the construction field. So if you look at biosourced material that you will find in construction, and also the development of new materials such as concrete that are enriched with wood or ashes, this is something that we are very, very active in through our centers of competences, but also through our industry. So we have some of the major players of the construction business. Typically, these were family companies that grew and grew and grew and became large construction organizations, large construction companies. And it really goes from having one of the metal companies putting one of the first supporting pillars of the building that is fully made out of decarbonized steel. And this is one very concrete example of extreme metallic constructions that can be done. Some of them at the top of the Alps, some of them in less hostile environments, let's put it that way. But what is interesting about the construction industry is that it has motivated the canton to develop a very strong partnership with the EPFL, with the École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne, which is building in collaboration with the University of Fribourg and the School of Engineering and Architecture, the development of a smart living lab. And this smart living lab will be embodied in the construction of a brand new experimental building called the Smart Living Building. Construction of this experimental building will start in 2026 and will evolve, and basically it will be a living lab for new types of materials, sensors, how will people live in the future, and basically going into the area of sustainable construction. What can the construction industry do in order to be more sustainable, to have new materials, new construction materials that are based biosourced or not? And this is really interesting also in terms of the connectivity it can have with telecommunications, with sensors. How can the electronic aspect and the IT and data aspect be integrated in construction?